Welcome back, guys. It's your girl Risha, this Chick Details. So today I'll be changing out the coolant temperature sensor on the Knox. First thing I'm gonna do is, I have a Phillips because I have to take off my battery cover so I can take off the negative post. This is the part, the coolant temperature sensor for the '05 Knox. If y'all want to see this, the AC Delco part number. Okay, and for to take that off, I'm gonna use it's a 19 millimeter socket, deep socket, or I have 3/4. All right, I'm gonna get to it. I'll take the battery post off, the negative, and then I'll get back to you guys. So I removed the negative post, but I put this back on here to cover because I have to get, see it's right, this connector, you can't see it, but it's right underneath here, let's see. It's right here. So it's a connector that's on it. I'm trying to see how I can get it off. Okay, I had to pull this back to pull it back out. Let's see this part right here. I have to pull this back. Okay, you might get a little coolant. Let me get the socket. Okay, you can see that I got it loose. Okay, let me loosen this and I'll show you guys what it look like when it comes out. This is what it looked like. Okay, now I'm about to go put the new one on. Put the new one back in. Just tighten it back up. Okay, I'll be back once it's tightened up. Okay, y'all, it's done. I didn't put the connector back on, as you can see. See, because my vehicle was, it was running hot at idle, and the temperature, the temperature gauge kept going all past half, but then it'll go right back to the middle, and then sometimes it'll go right before a half. But I mean, by the time I make it home, it would run hot, like it's going past half. So I'm just gonna try to change out the temperature gauge to see, the sensor, to see if that solves the issue. I already changed out the thermostat, so it has a new thermostat, new coolant reservoir hose, new coolant reservoir cap. It has new upper and lower radiator hoses. I changed out the heater hose back here. So we're gonna see if this solves the problem. But stay tuned, guys. So I'll be doing more stuff with the Knox still. She's running on the road right now, but Like I said, I had the issue with her running hot. So, but yeah, I'll see if that solved the issue. If you haven't liked the video, like it, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, Knox is on the road now, so I'm just getting her, making sure she's really good, before I change out the radio and, do all of this cool stuff or whatever. So, but, cause I do have to show you guys like what I did detailing wise too. But anyway, see you guys next video. This chick details, Risha, I'm out.